you want to add a Caravan camera and view it on your Ford factory screen? Well, look no further than the Polaris Ford Caravan camera integration kit. With the Polaris Ford camera integration kit, there's no need to add any more clutter to your dashboard. The Polaris Ford integration kit is designed to work with all Ford models that come with the Sync 3 OEM screen. The kit's completely plug and play with your Ford Sync 3 screen and comes with easy step-by-step instructions. The integration module even has a second camera input, which is terrific if you want to add an extra front camera for parking ease or for off-road tracks. Want to know the best part? All you have to do to access your cameras is to press one particular button on your steering control, and there's no switches required. If you choose to install the optional front camera, hold down the button for 3 seconds to bring it up on the screen. Then hold the button down for another 3 seconds to change it back to the Caravan camera. And if you want to go back to your factory menu, just click again. So what about if you already have a Caravan camera? Well, Polaris, they've got you covered. Polaris also sell adapters that'll convert your wiring into Polaris wiring. They can also provide you with all the parts needed for your car to integrate with the factory Ford screen. If they don't have an adapter for your wiring, then Polaris or a reputable dealer will normally blend it in. How good's that? Free up the clutter on your dash, integrate into your factory screen with the Ford Caravan camera integration kit. Polaris also do kits to integrate into some Toyota and Isuzu screens as well. Hey, for more information, go to polarisgps.com.au or give them a call, 1300 55 5514.